Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question. Question number 15 of NEET 2014 physics paper. Hello students, let us solve the next question, that is question number 15. Steam at 100 degrees centigrade is passed into 20 gram of water. So here I will say that water is there here, and that is 20 gram of mass of water. And what is passed is steam. Steam is passed through this steam, and it is at 100 degree centigrade. And the water initially was at 10 degree centigrade initially. When the water acquires a temperature of 80 degrees centigrade, so the steam is supplied to this water or passed to the water till the temperature becomes 80 degree centigrade. That means the final one, because of this, the final temperature has to be 80 degree centigrade. The mass of the water present will be, how much mass of water will be present now? Because it is clear that, obvious that as you supply some steam through the water, then some steam will get converted into water. So earlier it was 20 gram, and some extra water will be deposited or will be formed, because steam at 100 degrees centigrade and the earlier water was at 10 degrees centigrade, so some steam will lose heat and water will gain heat. The 20 gram of water will gain heat, plus some of the steam which loses heat from 100 to 80 will also become water. So some part of the steam is now present in water. So what is that mass of that steam which is converted to water? That mass you have to add, and that will give me the final mass of water. So when the question is the mass of water present, means it's talking about the total mass of water. Earlier it was mw. Now some mass of steam is also present. Now during the process of 100 to 80, some mass of steam becomes water. So the total mass of water present will be sum of mw plus ms. Okay. Now the principle of calorimetry, that heat loss is gain, that principle is used. So basically we are using the heat loss heat gain principle. Who is losing heat? Steam. Who is gaining heat? Water. So that will write now that heat gain, the heat gain is 82 mass of water present earlier and the specific heat of water and mass of water, specific of water, mc delta theta formula to use. Delta Q is mc delta theta. This formula you are going to use. And the delta theta is from 10 degree to 80 degree. So this is a change, that is 80 minus 10. This is the heat gain. And what is the heat loss? Heat loss is mass of the steam and the latent heat of vaporization of the steam. Because the steam at 100 degrees centigrade must lose or must becomes water at 100 degrees centigrade. First step, so steam has two things to do. Steam at 100 degrees centigrade is first step converted into water at 100 degrees centigrade, then to water at 80 degrees centigrade. So during this process is losing heat, that is called M into L value, that is specific heat into latent heat, mass into latent heat, and here it is ms delta theta. These two formula you have to use here. So in the case that steam becomes water at 100 degrees centigrade, the mass of the steam which is converted to water at 100 degrees centigrade, so during this process this much of heat is lost, plus the mass of the steam which obviously becomes water. Now I can write that ms over here, but it is actually the mass of the steam which becoming the water, and the specific heat of water into the final temperature. How much temperature is losing from 100 to 80? So it's losing heat from 100 to 80. I hope you understood that, because change in temperature is from 100 to 80. The difference is right here. Now I have to just equate these two equations. Then heat loss is heat gain. I've just put that value here. MWCW 70, 80 minus 10, 70 is this one, mass of the steam. Latent heat of vaporization of water is known to us as 540 calorie per gram. 540 calorie per gram, plus this is in calorie, remember, and that will see mass of steam, specific to water, that is 1 calorie per gram, into the difference, which is 20. Okay, now if I solve that, this is 540 and this is 20, 560, so it's 560. Okay, this is 560. Now I write 5 of 60, and this m is common out, that is ms, and this is mw, mass of water. Earlier it was heat loss, heat is gained. Actually this is the heat loss. I've just written opposite way. Heat loss is because of that, and heat gain is only by water. So this is the case actually I'm writing here, and this is the case I'm writing here. Mass of water was earlier 20, and into specific heat of water into 70, because this is only keep on gaining heat, and this is keeping on losing heat. This is the loss here, and gain over there. So this is how it is done. So from here, ms comes out to be 1400 divided by 560, goes out 56,140. If I solve this, I'll use my rather calculator to use that. This comes out to be because the options are something in decimals, so I'm just solving it. I can just tell you how can I can solve, but it's still okay. 140 divided by 56, that comes out to 2.5. That's a pretty good number, 2.5 gram. So mass of the steam which is converted to water and is at temperature of 80 degrees centigrade is 2.5 gram. As we have already discussed that the mass of water is steam becoming water is this much gram, and earlier the water was 20 gram, so I'll just combine them. Mass of water was earlier 20. So earlier we are having this number which was 20 gram. Before here it was 20 gram. Now the ms comes out to be 2.5 gram, which is converted to water. So this is 2.5 gram. So if I add these two numbers, it becomes 22.5 gram. So therefore option number 4 is correct, 22.5 gram. Okay, thank you.